Unlocking is effortless. Press the button within the app interface to engage the mechanism instantly. Our technology also supports efficient background processing. Even when the app is minimized, the connection remains active, allowing you to use a physical button to unlock the device without needing to reopen the application. For superior energy efficiency, we feature the Wurx Power-Saving Mode. You can wake the system directly through the app to wake up the system over a short distance. This showcase demonstrates how the wake-up feature allows for immediate unlocking while maintaining minimal power consumption. For the comparison, the Wurx BLE Cabinet Lock by SMC delivers industry-leading performance. Our technology features an ultra-low 10 microamp standby current, which is a significant improvement over standard competitor solutions. This high efficiency provides a superior battery life of approximately 5 years using only 2 AAA batteries. For precise control, the Wurx lock offers 4 levels of adjustable sensing sensitivity. Our secure tap-to-unlock mode operates within a 20-centimeter range to prevent signal sniffing and interception. Additionally, the intelligent hybrid wake-up logic and precise calibration eliminate accidental openings and false triggering. With a legacy of excellence since 1995, SMC provides the most reliable locking solution for your needs. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us through the information provided. Thank you for watching.